Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the PHP web server which is called Laragon, and what this will allow you to do is create PHP websites. So what this will include in the package is PHP, MySQL, Apache, and a terminal app called Commander. So let's begin. So I'm going to start by opening up the web browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. You type in Laragon, press enter, and it should be the first result. So you click on that, and you'll be on the Laragon website. So to download, click on the download link at the top, and you'd want the full version. So if you go to edition, you've got two here, so select the full, click on that, and that will download the Laragon executable. Okay, once that's downloaded, open up the downloads folder. So if you double click the Laragon executable, okay, select English, or select whichever language you want. You can change the default location if you want. I'm going to stick with the default. I'm going to leave these options selected. You can change them if you want, but I recommend keeping them. Click the install button to install. Okay, so install probably took like a minute or so. So once that's done, click finish. And there you go. So Laragon is up and running. Also, keep in mind when you install, you may need to restart your machine. It all depends on it will let you know if it will restart or whatnot. So if you do, you have to restart, and then it will start up. So in the Laragon application window, to start all the services, you just simply press the start all button. And I'll start up Apache and MySQL. Okay, looks like that's running. So once that's done, click on the web button, and you should see the default website. So yeah, you can see it here. It's up and running. So it's got the version of Apache, version of PHP 8.1. So yeah, that's working. Minimize that. So if you click the database button, this will open up HideSQL. So this is what comes with Laragon. So HideSQL is a MySQL client that you can use to sort of access and manage your MySQL databases. So if you'll have like a connection set up for you with Laragon. So all you need to do is press the open button, and you'll be logged in to your MySQL user account, and you can see the databases here. So these are the ones that you come up with. Okay, so let's close that. So if you click the terminal button, this will load up Commander. Oh, okay. So yeah, this it'll show this pop up because I haven't got a 7-zip or WinRAR installed, so that will happen. That's okay. So with the terminal, you've got access to some applications. So if I type in Git, you can use Git. If I type in, use PHP for the terminal. So if I use PHP, see PHP running there. Type in Composer, which is the PHP package manager. You can see that working. So yeah, that seems to be working fine. So if I close Commander, and if I try the root button, it will open up the folder where all the PHP files are. So that pretty much sums up Laragon. So if I close that window, also if I close this window, it's going to still run in the background. So if I close this, so yeah, it says there it's minimized. So if I just click this button in the corner, there you go. Got the window shows up again, where I can access the buttons at the bottom or the settings. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sample website, sample PHP website, just to show you how to set one up. So if I right click on the window, go to the quick start option and then select blank to create a blank PHP application. So you can create a name for this PHP website. So I'm going to call it Hello World. Type that in, press OK. And if you click on the root button, so you'll see that the Hello World folder is created. And if I go in and here, you can add in your PHP files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a sample PHP website and then load it using Laragon. So if I close this, open the browser. Okay, so this is the GitHub page to the sample website. I'll make sure to include this link here in the description of the video so you can access it. So what you need to do is when you get to the site, click the code button and then click the download zip folder option, sorry. So if I click that and then check the downloads, so that seems to have worked. Open that. If I extract that, close that. So I've got the files extracted. So if I go into there, and these are the files. So okay, so what I want to do is open up that root folder. So if I click on root, open up another Explorer window, open Hello World, and what I want to do is I want to copy and paste all these files into the Hello World folder. So if I select all of them, right click, select copy, and then click on the Hello World folder, and if I right click, select the paste option, and there you go, I've added the PHP files on. So the index is a PHP file, this is a JSON, and then you've got a CSS and a JS file. So if I minimize that, so to if I just go to the web. Also, one thing I didn't mention is when you create a project, it actually creates the URLs for you. So when I set the new project as Hello World, the domain helloworld.test will be set up and accessible. So if I open up a new tab and go to it, helloworld.test, this will actually load up the website. And there you go. And this is the sample website that's loaded up and from the files that I've added into the folder. So you can sort of click on the categories and it's filtering all these options, which are essentially like sample websites. And there you go, that's Laragon set up and running. And I've shown you how to set up an example PHP website. And from this point, you'll be able to use Laragon to create your PHP websites. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or issues, and thanks for watching.